pistol, slap cross mouth, reaching in your pockets and take your money out. Man, you know what's going. You got cheese, I got dope. About the 900 strong, I got peas, I got coke. Ain't no credit given, man. You can get from round here. Niggas robbing, niggas banging, niggas slanging down here. I got cheese, hoes, and a bunch of fucking dope. I got peas, coke, and some killers at the door. I know weeds, coke. Just me with these motherfucking 50 million crimes. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them.
I'm back from the store. Let's fix this piece of shit. Till I say so. Yeah, tell my buddy. My fucking life. Here's my buddy. How's you, my buddy? Get him. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is that thing? What is that thing? Here's my buddy. I know. Wanna dance? Wanna dance? Come on. Come on, get up here. Oh, you're my baby. Come on. Alright. Gonna take the intake off today. I'm pretty sure it's got an intake leak. That's what I'm fucking praying for, because if it's not an intake leak causing that popping, probably got a burnt valve or something.